In this video, I want to share with you guys on how to pin a particular program on your laptop to the taskbar. Currently, I have one app pinned on the taskbar here, which is this. So I want to pin this Brave browser into my taskbar again. To do so is very simple. Just double click on whatever app you want to pin to your taskbar, like this Brave browser. Once you double click on it and you have the Brave browser, whatever thing right away display on your screen. Now to pin to taskbar is very simple. Just go to that particular app, right click on it, then you see an option that says pin to taskbar. Click on it. Once you click on it, then this browser or whatever app you are pinning to your taskbar is fully here. Now close this place and you see that this app or program is pinned to taskbar on my device. That's all guys on how to pin a particular browser, a particular software on your laptop computer to the taskbar. If you enjoyed this tip, if you not subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.